Hello everyone. Today I am with you with an exclusive lecture on correction of errors. Correction of errors is very important for CSS, PMS, NMDCAT, Nouns and all other comparative exams. So stay with me to learn how to fix these errors. CSS 2021 English Precis and Composition paper. Question number 4, correction. Correct the following sentence. Sentence number 1 is, they were lying in the sun. This sentence is incorrect. Let's see how we can correct it. They were, okay, no problem, lying in the sun. In the sun is also correct. Lying, here is the error, here is the mistake. And its correction is Lying. Lying. Lie is basic form of verb and lying is its present participle form. The word lying is always incorrect. This word is never found in the dictionary, right? But the students are confused among these words like lied, like laid, or lying, laying, etc. In order to clear this confusion, let me give you the reference of my book on English grammar for CSS, PMS, NMDCAT, Nouns and other comparative exams. Here you can see my book as a reference. Here is the page of this book where you will clear your confusion regarding the use of lie. Lie has different meanings. Its first meaning is to tell a lie, means jhoot bolna. Sentence, he lies to everyone. Its forms are lie, lies, second form lied, third form lied, and fourth form lying. Number 2, lie means rest position of a person. Means किसी शख्स या जानवर का लेटना. He lies under the tree. Third one, lie means rest flat of a thing. किसी चीज़ का पड़े होना. A book lies open on the table. इन दोनों की forms हैं lie first form lies, इनकी second form है lay and third form lain and fourth form lying. Next word जो कि मिलता जुलता है lie से, that is lay. Lay means put something. किसी चीज़ को रखना. She lays the baby in its cot. Again lay. इसका एक और meaning है means to produce the eggs. अंडे देना. Sentence is the hen lays eggs. इन दोनों की forms हैं first form lay, lays, second form laid, third form laid and fourth form is laying.